Hey, bro. Hey, bro. You see the lifestyle, cuz you see it. But I just want to chat to you, man, real quick. Feel me? Like, just want to chat to you, man, real quick. On some real. Do I flip the camera? Do I not flip the camera? I'm about to make a leap of faith. Flip the camera. I'm gonna give you guys some quality today, because what I'm about to say is some quality, you get me? I hope you lot can see me. I think I did my calculations right. You guys should be able to see me. Okay, word, cause I don't know, I just wanna wear these. Today is simple, elegant, real. Let me just make sure this is still recording, cause it be bugging. Alright. Bro, I'm gonna make it quick, cause no one likes long YouTube videos, and I'm understanding that more and more and more. I used to make hella YouTube videos. They would be long, I would edit, do all of this, and I would be mad, cause I'm like, bro, now I do that and no one watches my videos. But it's okay. Like, I don't care that much. I don't really do YouTube for the views, for real. But views would be nice. But look, I'm gonna just give you guys value. If this helps you, you saw the title, how to do internships 2025. Like, bro, there's bread to be made. And all you really need is to be in college, like, bro, so, or to be in university. So I'm gonna tell you, I don't know, where am I gonna make this like? The top 3 things you need to focus on to get an internship, to do an internship from a D1 track and field athlete. Like, literally, like, bro, it's levels to this, and it's stuff that you just need to realize, you need to know. But at the end of the day, bro, do what you want to do. But this is what I think. First thing that you need to realize is, like, no one cares, like, and this is for everything, but I'm myers to recruiting too. Like, you can't just cold apply, because no one's gonna see you and be like, oh yeah, this person, like, yeah, like, put them through to the next stage. You need to know someone. I use rule where, like, I don't apply to no companies that I don't know people at. Okay, I need to know that your company, I need to know that if I apply, you're gonna see my application and be like, oh, I remember so-and-so who knew about computer science, software engineering skills, UX, UI, who knew about systems design, operations, because of when I talked to them at so-and-so career fair. See how I'm already working backwards from the accomplishment. From getting the internship, you meet the recruiter. Where do you meet the recruiter? You meet the recruiter at the career fair. So what should you do? You should plan to go to career fairs. Go to career fairs, talk to recruiters, get the links to apply, email the recruiter, and then boom, you have an interview before you could even wake up the next morning. Like boom. So the first thing is no one cares. So you have to know someone before you try to get in the door. You can't just apply to Google and be like, it's me. Like, yeah, it's you, but who knows it's you? No one knows it's you. All right, 2 is build your online presence. Build who you are online. LinkedIn, Instagram, like, learn to be comfortable sharing a little bit about yourself, about how you get creatively expressing how you get down. For example, I did a dump at the end of my Google internship, and a lot of people said that was pretty cool. Like, and I'm sure a recruiter saw and was like, oh, he is like giving a kind of new touch, or whatever they would want to call it, to Google. So it's like, now I'm in their heads, like, and whether or not that pays off, that's another question. But you have to be comfortable just putting yourself out there. People say, like, LinkedIn is fake. I personally don't think LinkedIn is that fake, because yes, people post and it's, ooh, let me make sure this is still recording, because I'm dropping gems right now. Yep, I'm dropping gems right now. Yes, it looks cool. And it was like, oh my, like, congratulations on getting an internship. Like, woo, like, congratulations on getting a job. Like, yes, it's fake, but bro, if you go into your LinkedIn DM and you start talking to people, like, if I see Brody that works at Apple and then Microsoft, I'm in my head like, how did bro go from Apple to Microsoft? Let me hit bro up and be like, bro, what's good? Like, I see that you're a very talented man. Like, tell me about your journey. You realize, bro, on the same type of wave as you. Shouts to Ojo, to my boy Ojo. He came Microsoft and Netflix, and I came Google and Amazon. Between the two of us, like, you know the amount of knowledge, like, I'm not even to gas either of us up, but like, combined knowledge of those 4 companies in the past 2-3 years, like, we have like that insight to now give to other people to you know, like, and if someone just hits me up, I'll tell them, like, this is how my experience is. Like, no, they can hit me up and ask me about that, because I want to inform people about the fact that these companies, like, it's real life. Like, it's your life. Like, you don't want to be somewhere that you don't want to be in, and you didn't know that because no one told you what the company was like, or vice versa. Like, you don't want to be thrown off by a company and then someone tells you that they had a really valuable experience and now you want to apply. So you got to keep yourself open but express yourself. So that's number 2. Okay. And number three is realize that you will never actually be ready. Like, yes, do leak codes. Like, everyone will tell you on here, do leak codes. Yes, do leak codes. Or if you're doing consulting, do case studies. Or whatever you need to study to do the interview, you know what you need to study. Yes, do all of that. But the biggest importance is, like, you need to have the confidence that you don't know it, like, much. Like, you don't know anything. Like, you can prepare so much and it can throw a question that you don't even know. So your ability to be confident when you don't know an answer is gonna take you, but you still have to study. So, like, for me, what I would do is I would still apply to places, even though I know, like, okay, I've been doing a good amount of leak code, but, like, hey, like, if I don't do it now is better than ever. Like, you do it, okay, interview in 2-3 weeks. Just lock in. Like, you might have to maybe not do as much in class, or, you know, for me, like, I'll always keep track consistent. Like, I'm always gonna put 100% in track. Okay, maybe class has to start for a little bit, but I'm grinding leak code these last 3-4 weeks. And I'm saying that, like, when I decided to do this interview, I went into that interview the best I could possibly go. And you'd be surprised how combining that with confidence, a little bit of knowledge with a little bit of confidence, you'll be in the interview and it will flow. Like, literally how I'm in the track meet, like, when I'm at practice, and you just practice the same thing over and over again in a good amount of time. But on the day, if you're just a certain level of confident, you just hit that flow state, and, like, that flow state just takes you. So same thing, like, you gotta literally just think about it like that. So yeah, that's really what I had to say. This was just me talking because, like, I'm literally at a Palantir leadership summit for jobs and internships and just anything to do with hiring, like, students. Like, I just think, like, bro, Palantir is one of the highest paying companies in the country for internships, but no one even knows that. And it's like, you just have to educate yourself and just talk to people, because people know stuff. And, you know, I'm grateful to God to be here, and, you know, hope I can still keep on providing you guys with content. I know I'll be lacking, but let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you would want to hear, see. Hey, I'm gonna be dropping fashion stuff on here too, like, just stuff, like, so just like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. Back on another video.